Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use YouCam Perfect application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have installed the YouCam Perfect application and I'm going to open it. And as you can see guys, that here we have a lot of tools we can use to edit our photo. But unfortunately, not all the features or the tools are free to use, especially for the AI tools such as AI Headshot and AI Studio and also the AI Removal. They are not free to use for us. We have to subscribe to the YouCam Perfect to use the AI feature. But don't worry guys, because we can still use the editing tools in YouCam to edit our photo. If you want to edit your photo, you can go to the photo edit. Okay, and for example, I'm going to select this photo. I'm going to edit this photo with the YouCam Perfect. Okay, and here are the features we can access. Okay, and here are the features in YouCam. Of course, not all of them are free to use. And here I'm going to show you some of the free tools we can use to edit our photo. The first one is the tools. Basically, you can use all these features right here to edit your photo for free. You can crop and rotate your photo, mirror your photo, and then add blur effect, and it's up to you. You can use it according to your needs. Okay, and we can apply effect to our photo. Just go to the effect, and here we have two options, filter and animation. And I'm just going to apply filter to my photo. I'm just going to apply this effect. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the magic brush. Okay, here we can use magic brush to make our photo more magical. I'm going to apply this one. All right, and you can also adjust your photo. You can adjust the exposure, contrast, brightness, highlight, shadow, light, and so on. I'm just going to adjust the saturation. Okay, and I'm going to apply this amazing tool guys, so we can use this AI scene to create unrealistic photo. For example, I'm going to select this one, dazzling sky. The feature is free, but we can only apply it to 5 photos per day. Okay, and now it's done, and this is the final result. Okay, then you can explore the tools in YouCam to edit your photo by yourself. And that's all the tutorial for today on how to use YouCam Perfect application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.